How to install Origin. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can install Origin on your PC. So for that you'll need to check your internet connection. After that, open up a web browser, and once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar type in download EA. After that, you'll be able to see multiple search results. So from the list, you need to click on the first one, that is www.ea.com. It's going to direct you to the EA's official website, and you'll be able to find this option as download Origin for Mac. So click on it, or you can just copy the link for it. After that, open up a new tab and then paste in the link. So here you can see that instead of PC you have Mac. So for that you need to remove the Mac and then type in PC. Make sure not to make any changes apart from this particular statement. Click on the enter button and then go ahead and you'll need to install this particular application. So here you go, that it's been installing. After that, you'll need to open up your file explorer and you'll need to run the install. So for that, first of all, you need to locate the file location of that particular downloaded item. So as you can see, these are the particular one. You need to click on it and then run installation. So now you need to click on install Origin button. After that, you need to go ahead and mark on all of it and click on the continue button and wait for the application to be installed. So that is basically how you can install Origin on your device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.